In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a subdomain with Hostinger. This will be perfect for those of you looking to organize your website content or perhaps even run separate applications under your main domain. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring clarity and ease as you dive into managing your web properties. First things first, let's log into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's main website. Once there, you'll find the login option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, including your email and password. If you've forgotten these details, Hostinger offers handy options to recover access, but let's assume you've got them at the ready. Now that you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the Domains section, which is generally accessed via the dashboard. You'll see a sidebar or a menu at the top, directing you to various management tools. Select Domains, and from there, look for the option labeled Subdomains. Subdomains are a fantastic way to partition different sections of your website while keeping them under the same primary domain. You've made it to the Subdomains page. Great progress. Here you'll see any subdomains you might have previously set up. To add a new one, search for a button or link that allows you to add or create a new subdomain. This is usually marked clearly and is an easy find. Click on it, and a form will appear asking you to input your desired subdomain name. This name will precede your primary domain. For instance, if your subdomain name is blog and your main domain is example.com, your subdomain will be blog.example.com. With that subdomain name chosen and entered, it's time to decide what you'd like to host here. If you've got specific content you want to upload, whether it be a new site section or files related to a new project, you can upload these directly. There's typically an interface supplied by Hostinger to drag and drop your files or to connect via an FTP client for larger uploads. Alternatively, if you're connecting this subdomain to an application, follow any app-specific instructions that guide the connection process. Don't forget the last but essential step: save your changes. There should be a save button or a similar command at the bottom of the page to confirm your new subdomain configuration. Clicking this ensures that all your input is correctly stored and that your subdomain is live and ready for action. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to create a subdomain with Hostinger. Whether you're dividing your content for organizational purposes or initiating a separate application, you've now got the know-how to make it happen smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you utilize your new subdomain. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out through the comments.